Hi guys, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to stir-fry rice with olive vegetable. This fried rice is delicious and it is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Let's fried rice now. Ingredients are leftover rice, chopped garlic, olive vegetable, ginger, and mixed beans. Season leftover rice and set aside. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Add chopped garlic. Add rice and stir-fry evenly until fragrant. Add mixed beans. One tablespoon olive vegetable and stir-fry. Vegetable fried rice is ready to serve. Smells so good. This fried rice is delicious yet easy to make. Such a quick recipe to be complete within 10 minutes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? The vitamins and antioxidants found in olives. may provide important health benefits. For example, some studies have shown that olives may protect against osteoporosis, in which bones become brittle or weak. Olives are also rich in vitamin E, which can improve skin health and help your immune system. Olives are technically a fruit, not a vegetable, and can help you get the best servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Olives are full of natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body, preserve bone mass, promote a healthy heart, and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Are olives high in cholesterol? Olives are low in cholesterol and a good source of dietary fiber, which the body needs for good gut health. They are also high in minerals that the body requires to function, such as iron and copper. However, it is best to consume olives in moderation, as producers usually preserve them in brine that is high in salt. Olives good or bad for your liver? Whether you like to eat olives straight out of the jar or olive oil with a squeeze of lemon is your preferred salad dressing. This savory fruit can help boost your liver's health. Mainly, olives are rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, two things your liver loves. Are green or black olives healthier? Nutritional value. Both green olives and black olives are nutritious. But if you're looking for the healthiest olive option, green wins by a narrow margin. The reason is that green olives tend to be higher in polyphenols, antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits than black olives. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.